To download a watch face on your Huawei Band 11 Pro, all you need to do is simply open up the Huawei Health app and select your band. And then from here, you want to go ahead and select watch faces. From here, it should take you to the watch face store that will allow you to download watch faces so that you can use them on your band. So once you're here, select My Faces, and then you can see all the faces that are available. So the first row are the faces that are currently added onto the watch, like so. And then when you scroll down, you should see other faces that are available for you to choose from. So you can go ahead and select a face. Bear in mind, some faces will need you to pay for them so that you can be able to use them. But other than that, you can go ahead and find a face that you would like to use. So say, for example, you wanted to use this kitten one. You can tap on it like so. And then select install and wait for it to download, and then you should see it saying installing, so just wait patiently on as it installs. And then once it's finished installing, you can see the changes have already been applied to the band. Again, some watch faces will come with an always display on display, others won't, so keep that in mind whenever you're selecting your watch face. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.